And today this class we are going to discuss about the next topic. What is the topic means evolution of planning. Planning already we have seen, general introduction over, meaning over, and how far the planning it will be take place in our India, each and everything we have come across. Now evolution of planning, how far it will be implemented, which year which type of planning it will be undertaken, and what is the particular name, for which sector they have given importance, each and everything we are going to discuss. Clear? So evolution of planning in India. Evolution of planning in India, we are having the planning 6 in types, 6 in concepts or 6 in name. What are the important things means? First one, Sir Vishveshwaraya plan. Clear? And second important thing, Jawaharlal Nehru plan. Third important thing, Bombay plan. Very, very important thing. Listen very carefully. Each and everything very, very important. Part D carry 5 marks. Very important thing. So, Bombay plan. And fourth one, Agarwal plan. Fifth one, M.N. Roy plan. And sixth and last one, J.P. Narayan plan. Clear? And in your, especially in your part A, that is in choose, how they will ask each and every year means arrange the plan in chronological order. Here they have given some years, based on that we have to arrange, and it is they just ask only in your 1 mark question. So listen very carefully. Vishveshwaraya plan, it was established in the year 1934. And next one, Jawaharlal Nehru plan, it was established in the year 1938. Bombay plan, it was established in the year 1940. And next one, Agarwal plan, it was established in the year 1944. M.N. Roy plan, it was established in the year 1945. So this way you have to read now, then it won't be forget for you people. So read the plan together with the year. It is very, very important. Is it clear? And last one, J.P. Narayan plan, it was established in the year 1950. Clear? Evolution of planning in India can be classified under 6 important things. Sir Vishveshwaraya plan, first one 1934. Jawaharlal Nehru plan 1938. Second one, Bombay plan, that is the third one. It was established in 1940. Fourth one, Agarwal plan 1944. Fifth one, M.N. Roy plan 1945. And sixth one, J.P. Narayan plan the year 1950. What we will see now? First one, Sir Vishveshwaraya. He is the main important eminent engineer, and he can also plays a very important role, active role in politics also. He is an engineer and he is a politician. Clear? And he can contribute first important ideas for the implementation of planning in our country through his main important book. What is the book name is Planned Economy of India. It is the famous book written by Sir Vishveshwaraya. What is the book name? Planned Economy of India. Is it clear? And this economic planning, it was takes place in the year 1935. It is very, very important. Over. First one over. Second important thing, Jawaharlal Nehru plan. It was established in the year 1938. But before the independence period, it will be worked out. But during this period only, the Second World War took place in the economy. So what will happen? Due to the Second War, so many problems takes place in the economy. This plan, it does not have any achievements and aims and goal. It will be fixed, but it is not at all a successful plan. We can't able to achieve so many targets, each and everything. Jawaharlal Nehru plan 1938, because of the Second World War, it does not provide any fruitful effect to the economy. That is the main important reason. Bombay plan, it was established in the year 1940. What is the main importance thing means? This is also known as 15-year. It is also a 15-year plan, and this Bombay plan. And here, 8 leading industrial persons, they joined together and they just introduced. How many persons? 8 leading industrialist means industrial person who is running, they are getting more profit in those period. In that year 1940, 8 leading industrial person, they just joined together and they can invest huge amount of money, each and everything, for the implementation of Bombay plan. It is a 15-year plan. That is the information regarding Bombay plan. And next one, Agarwal plan. It was established in 1944. And this Agarwal plan, S.N. Agarwal. S.N. Agarwal plan, it is also known as Gandhian plan. What is another name? Gandhian plan. Why we have given the Gandhian plan means they mainly concentrate on rural areas, especially for the development of agricultural sector. Clear? And another one, M.N. Roy plan. It was established in 1945. It is also this M.N. Roy plan. It is also known as another name. It is also having People's Plan. They just concentrate only on the upliftment and development of the people, and so we those days they are giving importance only for which sector? Primary sector, agriculture. So they also concentrate, M.N. Roy plan also concentrate only for the development of rural area people, especially agriculture product and agriculture sector. Last one, J.P. Narayan plan. They have also given importance only for primary sector. Not only they have given importance for primary sector, they can also given some importance for small scale and cottage industry. Narayan plan is also known as Sarvodaya plan. It is also known as Sarvodaya plan. Is it clear, pa?